Hello children, we are going to learn 10 line essay on football. So let's start. Line number 1 is I love playing football. Line number 2 is football is my favorite sport. Line number 3 is I play football every day with my friends. Line number 4 is playing football keeps our body healthy and agile. Line number 5 is football is an outdoor sport played in an open field. Line number 6 is football is played between two teams. Line number 7 is each team consists of 11 players. Line number 8 is this game is of 90 minutes, which is played in two parts of 45 minutes. Line number 9 is world famous football player Cristiano Ronaldo is my favorite player. Line number 10 is this game is very popular, which is played at international level.